Most traders don't keep track of their stats and end up losing money. To avoid their mistakes, you need clear backtest and analytics. The ATAS Trading Journal does just that. We've updated the statistics module to turn the chaos of your trades into a clear picture of your strengths and weaknesses. Let's break down how it works. You can find the statistics module in the Trading Journal tab, either here or in the main menu under the Tables tab. Clicking the icon creates a tab at the bottom, and if you click the arrow, you can activate the window. Here you'll find a set of filters for your statistics. By date, for example, you can select a preset period for the last 30 days or filter by account. By the way, the account from Market Replay will be automatically selected after you activate this mode. You can also set a filter by instrument. And since we're traders building for traders, we've created a filter by playbook, which you create yourself. In the playbook, you can collect trades made according to a specific strategy or pattern, or even trades executed in a certain mood. You group different trades together by a common feature using tags. Sounds interesting to practice, right? But first, let's go over the metrics. The first main statistics tab visualizes net P&L, account balance, changes in money, and the number of trades over a period. Win rate is the ratio of the number of profitable trades to the number of losing trades. Profit factor is the ratio of total profits to total losses. The average value for one profitable trade, one losing trade, and one trade on average. Drawdown, the maximum drop in equity. Performance shows the dynamics of your capital changes. It can be displayed either as a curve or as a daily histogram. Advanced statistics displays additional details: average trade duration, results for the best and worst trades, recovery factor, and commissions paid. By the way, if you see commissions automatically, you're most likely trading crypto markets, but for futures, you'll need to enter your broker's commissions in the main window settings. Let's move on. The trading calendar groups the main statistics by day and lets you leave comments for each session. Symbol performance displays results for individual instruments in a format that's easy to compare. Below, symbol allocation shows the distribution of trading volume by instrument. If you hover your cursor here, tooltips will pop up. Let's look to the right. Here, the hourly performance window will show you which part of the day your trades are most successful. The daily performance window does the same analysis by day of the week. It might seem like the Trading Journal is already fully equipped, but we've prepared a few more useful tabs. On the Executions tab, we have a table of executed orders. You can sort the data and format the table. On the Orders tab, there's a similar table based on all created orders, regardless of whether they were executed. The journal is probably the most convenient way to view all your trades, where you'll see a summary of the most important data, including your commissions. Plus, you can comment on trades and add them to your playbook. And of course, customizable sorting and other table features are available here when you right-click. And finally, the Playbooks tab, where you can create your own statistics and analyze the results of specific tests. For example, let's create a detailed playbook for breakout trading, and another separate one for those specific trades that don't follow the established rules. Now, let's go to the Journal tab and use the plus button to assign one or more playbooks to your trades. And then we go back to the Playbooks tab to check the results. Basically, it's a ready-made trader's journal, so no more trading blindly. And finally, let's take a look at the journal settings. You can add any unrecorded trade, export the journal to CSV for analysis with another service, recalculate your stats, or completely clear them. Now, backtest on the platform will be much more informative. Create your first playbook and trade consciously.